Vidmix MV Maker AI Art is a versatile Android application designed for creating and editing multimedia content, particularly focused on music videos and artistic visuals. The app allows users to combine video clips, images, and music to produce engaging music videos effortlessly. One of the key features of Vidmix is its user-friendly interface, which simplifies the video making process. Users can select from various templates, transitions, and effects to enhance their videos and create unique visual narratives. The application also often integrates AI technology, allowing users to generate stunning art and visual effects that can be incorporated into their projects. Additionally, Vidmix MV Maker supports a wide range of media formats, enabling users to import content from various sources, including their own photo and video collections. This flexibility encourages creativity and experimentation, making it suitable for both amateur creators and seasoned videographers. Overall, Vidmix MV Maker AI Art provides a comprehensive platform for users to express their creativity through music-driven videos and artistic designs, making video editing accessible and enjoyable on Android devices.